Hey, this is Sean from Stepchild Snowboards, and the board today is the Jib Stick. And the Jib Stick is basically our fully loaded premium jib package board. You know what we did with this board, this is one of the first reverse camber boards we made, and we gave it a really nice low profile tip and tail ramping on it. It's a true twin shape. It's got a lot of features in this board. One of the features is it's got the Trojan 2 sidewalls. It's basically these little rubber impact absorption strips that go up and down each edge. It's also got RATT, which is round edge taper tuning. What that is basically the board is pre-tuned. It's round between the feet and it's basically tuned out. It's a little sharper on the tip and tail, but I mean between the feet where it counts, it's ready to go out of the box basically. You don't have to steal your dad's file and dull the edges or anything like that. It's ready to go. Andrew Pommier did the graphic for us. Kind of a cool little stepchild guy with a skull head, and he's got a broken arm and a broken heart and a video camera, and I guess that's the way it goes if you're a filmer. It's got the armadillo binding reinforcement plates in there as well. Also for this year we did a Jib Stick Slim, which has all the features of the Jib Stick, only we narrowed the size down a little bit. With the regular Jib Stick, what we did is we kept the width the same width, but we just shortened the length, because when people ride smaller boards for jibs, they don't really ride narrower boards, right? And it's got all the features of the Jib Stick, same graphic, just a different colorway. It's still got the Trojan 2 rubber impact absorption sidewalls. It's got the RATT tuning between the feet, and it's got a little bit less than the inserts. It's got 20 inserts, 10 packs per foot. And that's the Jib Stick and the Jib Stick Slim. So check it out. They're both reverse camber, they both are ripping boards.
Close range, shoot 'em up, just shoot 'em up, what? Kill, 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 murder, murder, murder. Shoot 'em up, just shoot 'em up, what?